You rolling?
Yeah.
We would have never found this. This looks like it goes right down to the kitchen above the refrigerator. No, we wouldn't have found that unless we did this. Man, that's crazy.
Just completed step 1 of our attic clean out and restoration service. What we've done today is the bulk removal of the insulation, and we have set the traps. Depending on the timing in the job, sometimes we'll also get done with the exclusion work, but that depends on some variables. But take a look. We now have a completely cleared out, cleaned, and sanitized attic. All set to go for our client. Now, by doing this, one of the big benefits is we see where we need to exclude, where the rodents and nesting has been happening, and other points of entry that may take us more time to find if we didn't remove this insulation. Another big benefit is we find plumbing issues, electrical issues, and other things that get repaired before we decide for the final installation of the insulation. So we've got this taken care of and we're ready to go.